Hey everyone, welcome back to Ditectives Gaming and Tech. In this video, we're going to deploy our very first project on Vercel. We'll start with creating a simple HTML page, then connect it to Vercel, and finally, deploy it and view it live. Let's get started. First up, let's create a simple project. We'll start with a basic HTML page. Here's how. Create a new folder on your computer. Let's call it My First Project. Inside this folder, create a new file called index.html. Open it in your code editor and add the following code. Save the file, and you now have a basic HTML page ready to deploy. Next, we'll connect our project to Vercel. Here's how. Log in to your Vercel account and go to your dashboard. Click on New Project. Select Import Project from the menu. This time, instead of connecting to a GitHub repository, we'll use the drag and drop feature to upload our project directly. Drag and drop the My First Project folder into the upload area. Vercel will automatically detect the files and configure the project settings. Vercel will set up your project, and you'll be ready for the next step. Now let's deploy our project and see it live. Check the deployment settings to make sure everything looks correct. You can adjust settings if needed, but the default should work fine for a simple HTML page. Click the Deploy button to start the deployment process. Once the deployment is complete, you'll receive a live URL. Click on this URL to view your project live on the web. And there you go. Your HTML page is now live on Vercel. It's that easy to deploy a project and make it accessible to the world. That wraps up our video on deploying your first project with Vercel. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to Ditectives Gaming and Tech for more tech tutorials and content. Got any questions or need help with your project? Leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.
Pocket.com